What is this over here?
My dead brother's Ford Ranger. It's been sitting here for 5 years, untouched.
Issue with the title.
I can't ask my brother where he put the title. I want to finally bring it back to life.
We might be able to fire it up and it's just great.
What are the chances? I guarantee you it's not.
Yeah, the battery's got to be toast.
I don't know what's happening.
So Blair just called me and told me what you told her. He's got a friend who has a shop and works on cars. Are we gonna turn it into a 4x4 monster? Are we gonna drop it and put a 5.0 engine in it? Because I'm not good at taking care of that I don't know anything about. This is the journey of figuring that out.
Like lots of spider webs you could get. It has been actually sitting here for a while.
Yeah,
yeah,
for sure has. These are like my old Xterra tires in the back.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Yeah. These are cigars.
These are my cigars.
Somebody wants a set of wheels for an Xterra, guaranteed. Plus, you could, worst case scenario too, if you ever wanted more like, if you were gonna start driving it more, put a set of like more like road tires and you could have like winter set and a summer set kind of a thing too, but it looks better on those, so I probably wouldn't do that. I mean, do you want to talk about why you have this Ford Ranger?
This was my brother's truck. He bought and had for about a year until he died. And when he died, at that point, it was in the shop because it needed a new engine. And then the mechanic was really cool. Like, you know, your little brother passes away, your life's in disarray. He actually held on to it for a year at the shop. Now it was outside, so the roof and the paint are kind of messed up. After like a year, I was like, well, I need to get the engine put in, need to finish what he had started. So he put in a used engine. So the engine's good. Now, I haven't started it in 2 years at least. So it might need to tune up. I know that he put an aftermarket radio in it, and the wiring's bad. It's always draining the battery. So that's a problem. So the battery's dead. We're probably gonna have to get a new battery today because I've tried to shock it back to life a couple times and it doesn't. But yeah, it's now my truck. I inherited it when my brother died. And the crappy thing is, not to go too deep down the rabbit hole, but my brother struggled with drugs. And he owed money. And we think, because we can't find the title, that he may have gave to like, as like collateral to like a check and go quick cash place, or he just lost it. Both of those options are totally plausible. I don't have the title. I can't ask my brother where he put the title. And so it's got to go through probate. It's been 5 years since he died. It still has to go through probate. So that's a whole other thing on fixing this truck up. We're going to be documenting the process of probate and what we can possibly do to maybe get around that. But if not, we're going to be working on this truck without being able to legally drive it. If I can just find, like, let's say he did give it as the title up as a collateral to get money. I would just go pay his debt. I can't find, I mean, how would you find that? So that's a whole other can of worms. But the main point, what we're doing in this series, let's get it out of the depths of despair. I want to do something with this to honor my brother, to have a truck, to have a project car, to have something cool. I don't really know what to do with it. Jason's got some ideas. I've got some ideas. We agree on most of them. But is it like, do we lift it? Do we turn it into like an Overland like monster? Do we put like a 5.0 engine in it? What do we do? And so, yeah, I think this is just going to be about fixing it up. There's obviously stuff that Jason and I can do right away, like battery, getting it started. Wheels are dry rotted. That's a huge problem. And then I want new wheels. I mean, the tires are dry rotted. I want new wheels, want new tires. Those are some pretty easy steps. It's a Ford Edge, so it's already got like a 2 or 3 inch lift. I think just a 2. how much more do we want to go? And then the interior, see, it's just become like, we got to get all this stuff off of it. The interior is not bad. It needs to be cleaned up, but it's not bad.
Actually does look really nice.
Right?
Yeah.
It's surprising.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I think step one is just getting everything off of it. Dusting it off because, you know, it's got dust on it.
The interior looks awesome. That's great. I agree. I think it's get it freed from all of the junk and the stuff and see what we really have to work with here, and then just start to kind of figure out, I think, from the basics of, obviously, let's, you know, see if we can get it running and make things happen from that perspective. But yeah, battery obviously is probably going to have to happen, and tires clearly, at least to be able to get it, you know, to where we can drive it down the road. But I think just some of the easy stuff that we can do at the beginning, you know, change out the lights. The lights are foggy and, you know, old, of course, original, and just some of that kind of stuff, and maybe, you know, some of the easier upgrades before we really kind of dig in and figure out what needs to happen to get it running well, if it does. And we might be able to fire it up and it's just great and we don't have to do anything. But I would imagine after a few years of just sitting here doing nothing, it's going to at least need, you know, tune up, oil change, some of the basic stuff. So
Damn.
once we get this thing running and have like a decent weather day, a pressure wash, like actual like car wash video would be good too.
You saying it's dirty?
Oh, there it is. Well, there you have it. Still a motor in there.
What are the chances? I guarantee you it's not.
Yeah, the battery's got to be toast.
With the Ford key, not the Nissan key. Yeah, absolutely nothing.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. So what? We take the battery out and replace it?
Yeah, potentially. Or we can take it up there. They can test it too. And if the battery's actually good and it just needs to be recharged, then that's something else. But otherwise, yeah, just replace, I guess.
Yeah. And then you are Mr. Tech Guy. What are the chances you can fix the... Because I know it's coming from... Because, I mean, look, if you look, this is not even in all the way.
Oh, yeah. Okay, gotcha.
And I was told, like, that's the problem. It's staying on.
Yep.
And draining the battery.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to figure that out once we get the battery charged and we can see, like, and if it is truly still just staying on and that's what's causing the problem, then we can figure that out. Pull it out. Maybe there's probably a short or something. Figure that out.
Yeah. Oh, look, man. It's flat.
Oh yeah, flat tires. Not surprising.
Yeah. Yeah.
They don't look terrible, but yeah, I mean, you know, obviously this one's verging on it anyway, but they don't look as bad as I thought they would for as long as it's been sitting, you know?
This battery is new. I mean, it's
yeah,
not.
It looks like it's...
But I bought it 3 years ago.
Okay, yeah.
And was starting it up and driving it around the neighborhood carefully because the tires are dry. Yeah. I was driving around like every couple of weeks, just keep it going. And then, you know, I think the battery finally gave out and I stopped doing it. Because I'm not good at taking care of shit that I don't know anything about.
It might still be okay if we could charge it, but hard to say. We could always get it tested and find out.
Yeah. Preparing to take it out at one point.
Yeah. There you have it. Cool. It might still be fine, especially since it never really got used that much.
Yeah.
Yeah, worth a shot anyway.
Yeah, it's dead.
Yeah.
So the tester won't really say anything. Do you want us to charge it up?
So Blair just called me and told me what you told her. And I'd love to come by and talk to him. How long are you going to be over there? Do you mind if me and my friend Jason head that way? Can you text me the address?
I certainly will.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll see you soon. That's my brother-in-law. I mean, father-in-law. And he saw the reel that I put up about the Ranger, and he's got a friend who has a shop and works on cars and loves Rangers apparently, and has thought about starting to film himself work on cars and is wanting to buy GoPros to do that. And so Mike, my father-in-law, said like he would be super interested in working on this. So if Jason's got nothing better to do, I said after we get this battery checked out, we head over there and talk to him.
So it's trying to charge it.
That's good. Okay, cool.
So 20 hours and
Yeah, so probably first thing tomorrow morning I'll be here.
Okay.
If you guys want to swing by, we can test it again.
So yeah, he's gonna let it charge up overnight, and said we can come back in about 20 hours. So tomorrow morning, and kind of check it again, test it again, figure out whether or not it's any good.
And now we are headed to my father-in-law's friend Robbie's house because he works on cars and was wanting to start filming himself work on cars, I guess, but would be interested in helping us out. So we're gonna go talk to him and see what he can help us do to this Ranger.
What we got back here? Golf carts? I mean, we got a Corvette collection to start with. 3 different Corvettes. Got a old, like, maybe, I don't know, early 2000s Escalade back there. Dodge van. What is this over here? Ah, man, these are so cool. Assuming it's right-hand drive. Oh, it's left-hand drive. Huh, interesting. These are cool, man. Motor under the seat. I don't know what's happening with this right here, but I really want to know the story. Because like that's the front end of like an old like an HHR or yeah, exactly. But then what's happening? Look at the back, like the windows and everything. I would like to hear the story about that thing.
That is the Frankenstein car out
That's
there.
exactly, it's a Flintstone mobile.
It looks like it. It has like an HHR front, right?
Yeah.
Like that looks like off of a Chevy HHR.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It's actually made out of about 10 different cars.
Okay.
It's a HHR, a Jeep, a S10, a rail buggy, Volkswagen, F-150, land at the tops on the back of the trucks. That's the top and the 2 sides. At the top is actually a camper, one of them big high top camper covers.
Yeah.
On the back of it is a smoker grill with 2 pipes coming out of it, like a smoker grill's got the 2.
Yeah.
And right in the middle of it is a big old skull.
That's incredible. I love S10s. What's your plan for it? You know, once you you're gonna have it running, obviously. And did you see the meat on the back of this thing here? You're gonna have it running 6 months. What's your plan for it? You gonna race it?
No, this is a show car.
Okay, all right.
And actually, this ain't the intake and carburetor. It will actually, I'm only running this carburetor, just breaking the motor in.
Gotcha. Yeah. So you have that somewhere, I assume?
I've got 2 4s sitting right over there that's going on here. This is going to be a show car.
Yeah.
This one and my black car out here is, I'll just trailer them. The black one I drive all the time.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah.
So that's going to continue to be kind of just a daily driver?
Yes, it is.
And then this will be the showpiece?
Yeah.
Wow.
That one don't have but 41,000 miles on it.
You're kidding me.
Nope.
Wow.
It's all original. That's a 74 Nova. I got started on it. I've got a 383 stroker that's going in.
Is this one's also yours for
Yeah.
you? Okay, gotcha. Yeah. Have you done restorations for for clients or for others? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got a 71 Nova sitting over yonder at that buddy of mine's house.
You got a Ranger? Is that your Ranger?
Yes.
Can I go look at it?
Yeah.
What's your plan for the Ranger? Yeah.
That is my grandson's car. To paint it, I'm going to rebuild the motor in it. I've got a set of new wheels, new chrome wheels and everything going on it. We're going to upholster the front seat, new windshield. It'll The truck will be brand new. He's just turned 15.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So what year is this one?
It's a 2003.
2003.
What is yours?
2005.
That old blue sparkly truck you see there?
Yeah.
I just painted it.
So you have a paint shop here on site?
Yes, right there.
You walk right there.
The first room you come to.
Oh, right on.
That's what I'm saying. Everything's just,
And then you do upholstery as well, you said?
no.
No, you don't. You send that off?
Yeah, but I just bought a sewing machine that me and my wife can learn how to do it ourselves.
All right, right on.
This one's got a lot of metal flake in it.
A 1990 Mustang GT that's new, essentially. It has less than 10,000 miles on it. There's, I guess, this issue with the title. It's not. I don't know that there's. I guess there's some debate over whose car it actually is, and he's gonna pull the motor out of it, motor and transmission, and put it in that old 41 Ford or whatever that was over there that we were looking at, and then the Mustang's going away. But he's getting the motor and transmission out of it to put in this. So a 90, basically brand new motor and transmission out of a essentially brand new 1990 Mustang GT with less than 10,000 miles on it.
Rob's Rod Shop.
Yeah. Super cool. Super nice guy. Definitely has the skills.
Yes.
Based on some of those restorations that we just saw. Yeah. I mean, that's there was some impressive work done in there, and kind of feels like exactly what we're looking for.
Yeah. And I love, I mean, and I shouldn't be surprised by this, but I always get surprised by this because I'm just, when people can do stuff,
Yeah.
man, did we just roll over a speed bump?
No, it was like a yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, people like are always surprised by like my job and what I can pull off.
Yep.
So I guess, but like, it just, nothing is out of the realm with him. 'Cause
Right.
we thought asking him about switching it to manual and was like,
making
this-
it 4-wheel drive and doing a manual swap. But he's like, no
and
problem. He's like,
whatever.
There's 2 Rangers
Yeah.
half a mile from here. Buddy of mine owns.
Yeah.
I can go buy them right now for $800 and we'll get all the
Right.
parts we need. And I'm like,
Yeah.
wait, what?
Yeah. Like, okay, let's go.
I'm like, let's do that. Yeah.